Kinaliwa pa yun. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Saraamid 2024 para sa laban ng Tabuk City at Ifugao. And jump ball.
Okay, number 4, Ifugao. Ifugao looking for number 2 to number 4. Yeah. Number 22, Tabuk City. 9-0 in favor of Tabuk City. Intercepted. Number 16 for Anaisia. Yes, sir.
There's attacking the rim. R2.
Number 12 for the rebound. Pinasa kay 0-0, losing the board, no good. 0-0 again for the rebound. Oy, versus steal. Pinasa kay number 06 to number 16, no good. Oh, there's a rebound by number 6, Ifugao. Number 4, drinking the ball. Pinasa. City.
Fires, pull up J.
Number 12, oops. Number 22.
At the middle base, pull up J.
0-0. To number 16, Tabuk City.
Spin, pass. Fires,
Number 12. Pinasa 3 points attempt. No good. Oh, what a transition game.
Kinaliwa pa yun.
Ayan naman, number 4. Dribbling, Pinasa. Yes, sir. Pinasa.
Pull up J. Hoy! Nag-iipit yung bola.
Oy.
Oh! Galit na galit.
There's a jump. 13. Yes, in the ball. Yes, sir. Still dribbling the ball. Pinasa. Pinasa kay number 9. Oh, what an ace in Leo. Ayan, 13. Oy.
Baligod. Pass to number 9. Behind the back pass. Oh! Sa gitna.
Number 12. Pinasa.
Side reverse layup. Pinaipon.
Ayan. Tabuk City. Shoot. Yes! Number 1 ng Ifugao nag-shoot. Wala. Sino na naman ng number 1 ng Ifugao. Bringing the ball to number 12. Number 12 to number 4. Shooting for 3. No good. Number 6 for the rebound. Oh, wala. Losing the ball. Losing the money. Time to shoot. Time to shoot. Number 1. Wala. Number 12 ng Ifugao. Pinasa kay number 4 to number 12. Hey, there's a steal. Interception.
Stay down. Number 4 pa.
Score 24-8. Lamang po ang Tabuk City.
Bang! Good pass inside. Kaldag fire off the glass.
Yes, sir. Ang Ifugao 11-24.
Baligod. Uy!
Oh, there's a steal.
Pull up J. Gusto yan. May idol.
Pasok.
Boom!
Dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay number 4 for 3. Oh, wala.
twice.
Follow-up shot, yes.
Bounce pass. Pull up J. Again. 14. And first again. Again. Same spot.
10 seconds.
Pull up J. Oh! Mata Baser. And it's number 13. Tagilis for 3. Bang! 5. Oop, wala. 1 in. Oh, battle for Uy. Sa 3. 5. Uy! Ulit! Number 7. Oh, exacto pa.
First team goal.
Go for 3. Oh, top goal pa. Number 13. And here's team Tabuk. Number 13, pass to the middle. Fake. Matatapilan dito. The middle one dribble fires and a basket for 2. Dribbling the ball number 12. To number 5 for 3. Won't go. Battle for rebound. One dribble fires. Money. Mga idol. Number 13. Passes na sa kalaban. Ang gandang pasa. Pasok yan. Number 5 to number 12, pass back number 5. Pass inside guys, saktong-sakto yun. And down to down to 15. For 3. Wala. And it's number 12 who passed inside twice off the glass. Baligod. Oh, iniwan yung dalawa. Oh, natapitan. Inside pass. Libreng-libre. Lucky bounce. Baligod. Binit-bit. Kick outside. Number 30 to number 22. Pull up J. And Manny. Number 20, pull up J. I-score na naman. Number 5. Number 12.
Time to shoot.
Number 5. Launch a 3. Strong. Put back shot. Lucky bounce. Inside quali, pass. At sa tira. Pass inside. Nice pass, basket and 1. Pass inside. Okay, to face basket and 1. Oop, pass inside again. Pull up J and a basket. Number 13 ng bola. Bang! Ayun, sa gitna. Pull up J again. Another basket. Sa 3. Bang! And there, sa 3. Baligod. Battle for rebound. Magkakatapikan. Nakuha ng Team Ifugao. Sa gitna, tank build, lays up. Balikod. Oh! That Euro step move. Rebound ng Team Ifugao number 13. Attacking the rim, fires off the glass, wala pa rin. And this Baligod. He stopped to the middle, mid-range fire. Oy! 10 points. And Baligod passes to the middle, saktong-sakto. Away nun.
30 seconds.
30 seconds left on the second quarter. Dire-diretso, hook shot, put back shot, wala pa rin. And rebound
30
pass.
seconds.
30 seconds left. Side step, gandang pasa, gandang tira. And finish by Mundo.
20 seconds.
Passes to Baligod. Stage fire, Manny. Pass break. Clear
10
shot.
seconds. 5 seconds.
1 second. Mundo, pass there. For 3. That's the end. Lays up, pinabitin. Basket for 2. Attacking the rim, lays up off the glass. For 3. Bang! Nakahandusay sa idol. To the middle, pull up J. Basket for 2. Setting the pace. Sa gilid. Number 1, oops. Stop. Up, pull up J again. Basket again for Moon. Long pass. Number 1.
Back to shoot.
5. Rebound, put back shot. Nasutan yung kalaban. Nasut yan. Mundo. Sa 3.
Last 2 minutes.
Binit-bit. Oy! Grabing high up na. Sa 3. Off the glass. Sakto. Off the glass. Basket for 2. Easy basket by Mundo. Uy! Sayang. No basket. For 3. Bang! Agawan man naman. Nakalusot. Binit-bit pa. Oh! Nice move. Yes, Baligod. Crossover. Oy, nakalusot. Pull up J. Manny. Fade away shot. Yes, Baligod. Oy! Aliw pass. Ang gandang pasa naman nun. Sa gilid, open for 3. Bam! Ang Baligod. One loop. Uy, ang ganda na naman pasa dun sa gitna. Basket. Tawan.
Number 30.
6.
Pass to number 4.
Number 4 long 3. Oh, red. Lays up, easy basket.
Easy 2 points. Time to shoot.
Wala. Rebound team Tabuk. Pass break ngayon. Binitbit ulit. Lays up, easy basket again. Two. One open for three. Bam! By 1 versus 2 na naman. Complete.
Going to go, habol!
Oh,
Ayan na.
Last 5 minutes.
bounce pass inside. Pull up game. Mundo. Sa 3. Sa 3. Ha! Here's number 5.
Going to go,
And with Sir Maxi Mutela, sir. Good morning.
Mundo. Lays up. Isa pa. Pasok yun. Mas malayo pala yung gusto. Fires off the glass. Wala. Rebound. Put back shot. Yes, sir. Pass is inside.
Time to shoot.
Get! Shoot mo na.
2 points. Time to shoot.
Mundo. 2 points. And time. That's the end of the
Final score.
final.
Tabuk City 99, Ifugao 74.
Congratulations, team Tabuk City.
Congratulations.